Hi everyone, let's go to one more video here on our diecast channel. Today I'm going to show you this 1969 Plymouth GTX convertible. Thank you for all likes, comments, and for all subscriptions in my channel. And please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe my channel and to share this video. So let's move on to the car. In a previous video we've seen a 1969 Roadrunner, which is a simpler version of this Plymouth model. The simplest one is the Satellite, and the top model is the GTX, which is this model here. This is a very nice car. One first difference we can see from between it and the Roadrunner is this black line that goes all the way from the front to the back of the body, and this trim that goes above it and divides the body between the body color and this flat black stripe we have here. There's also a red stripe which matches the tire. This is very nice. The badges are different since we have no Roadrunner badge here but a GTX right below near the rear wheel. Direction lights in the rear and on the front are just like that one. This model is 1/18 scale made by ERTL, just like that one. This is American muscle. Looking at the front, the grille, we can see now the difference. Instead of having four very long rectangles like we had in the Roadrunner and the GTX, we have this different pattern with a GTX badge in the center. The grille is all black. The headlights are just the same. They're very well made in this Zero model. The bumpers are the same, front bumper and the rear bumper as well. Tail lights are the same. Hemi badge is the same. Plymouth badge is the same, but in a different position. In that Plymouth we had in this lower section here of a trunk lid, and here in the trunk lid we have this trim that goes all the way from left to right. It's probably made of aluminum. Dual exhaust, rear bumper, just like I'm showing before. Let's take a look at the engine. It's a Hemi engine. It's just like that one in the Roadrunner. That's very simple. It has no cables, no wires, just radiator hose, horn, radiator, and battery, and some other components just like any other car that can be further detailed. The hinges are the same. The air grabber is the same. So there's no news in this video about this car. Just some details. Flat black stripes. The hood that closes correctly. It's a very nice red color. And here it's in a very nice color. So we can see the central console with some wooden patterns, dashboard with wooden patterns, and a GTX badge instead of a Roadrunner badge. Steering wheel, which moves as we turn the front wheels, so we can steer from here. That's very nice. That's an interesting feature about all 1/18 cars have. On top, open the left door. This car has an automatic transmission since we have just a couple of pedals. It's a simple interior, but still very nice. The trunk that doesn't open. This is an old model, really. I've had this for a while. And the bottom, which is basically the same bottom we find in Roadrunner. So if we take them both and turn them upside down and take a look from the bottom to the top, we can see no difference here. We cannot tell one from the other. The engine, Hemi engine and transmission, could use a little paintwork to be a little bit more realistic. And rear axle, suspension, mufflers, or gas tank, the floor itself. They're very well made. They're not just they're not painted in different colors just like they should be in a real car, but they still look nice. Wheels and tires, very nice. Red stripe tire with Magnum wheels. Simply love those wheels. And this is what we have to show now. I thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share this video, leave your comments, and click the bell for news. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.